Kurobosongo goika moja na kurosugusu goika iriani amoneze engima ano ka okonyora
amangana amaya ayabene kurwa abagusi Global Radio engata ya mwanyagetingerega amato tukumanye
Mwanchwa muri TV ya AGR News ndege ngambiyole andosi asore ni chinga kichinde ngokoletera mangana maya senchire kwikirano kunatekire asemese ituburalia litukeriga lya lero kole litangani tonyora mangana yo ase enchira yobwenge lituko lya lero nigo okolikigwa kwa obwanajeshi bwakolekana ase county ya Nandi abaiboli kurwase county ya Mombasa nigo baire okoboko egesusuru koiranirwa ase school asabana unenchere yamo yoko okeania chimbu chimbe ase school na omo senator bwe county ya Murang'A niga usiwe kurwase kirogo kia majority chief whip ase senate ayo na yanda mage ni gongo kwarigania senchire bwikirano marietane Dennis Zadok abaiboli kurwase county ya Mombasa nigo baire okoboko mu waziri bwechisemi aiga Kenya Professor George Magoha asokwirania egesusuro ase school bakukwana na balikia mangana ase umochi Mombasa abaiboli abo nigo batebanga egesusuro kwiraniwa ase school nigo kirabe egento kingenjo ase engenjo abana nigo batwarire chimbu chimbe echichikwirano ne school osambwa na kurwania abalimo na gotebanga engakiye ikire serikali yerete kwamwa na kwirania egesusuro ase school.
Na wazazi wengine nyumbani hawana nafasi ya nidhamu, lakini mtoto anapoenda shule achapwe, si apigwe, achapwe. Kuna tofauti ya kupiga na kuchapa. Kuchapa na lugha yetu hapa pwani inaitwa Kisugu discipline.
Ukisikia leo ambazo zina perform vizuri sana katika Jamhuri ya Kenya ni boarding schools. All the national schools ambazo tuko nazo ni shule za boarding schools. Kwa hivyo shule zile zinamfanya mtoto kwanza anajielewa, anaanza kuwa independent, anaweza kuoperate kama yeye bila kutegemea mzazi na akajipanga. Ukimpatia pocket money anajua pocket money nataka niitumie kuanzia tarehe 1 mpaka shule itakapokuwa tuna break for midterm. Kwa hivyo inaleta discipline fulani kwa watoto, inaleta ile independence kwa watoto wetu.
Lituko lya lero serikali nigo yeranirira okolikia abasae gosoa ase obwanajeshi asense ya Kenya anene ase county eri ya Nandi muyugo yo nigo kolekana buya abo ase abasae chiribusato abeherwa bene na kurwanira mabaga yokulikwe mirimo wetera serikali nonyina bo basae bake nigo barusi gwaro ase engenjo yokuburwa gutwara akeare epin
kitu inaitwa mazoezi kweli.
Kwanza watu wako friendly, wametuwelcome vizuri, wameanza na maombi na tukaanza exercise. Exercise iko sawa kabisa. Sisi tumefanyishwa drill na wakatuchukua kwa kuangalia fitness ya mtu. Na sisi pia tukaprove ya kwamba tunaweza. Tumechukuliwa kwa sababu hakuna kitu wao anaomba, hakuna pesa mimi nimetoa na nimechukuliwa.
Omo senator we county ya Murang'A Irungu Kang'Ata ni garusiwe ase kirogo gie senate kimanyakanetenga majority chief whip korengana no mulikyo mwane we kiama kia Jubilee Rafael Tuju nigo atebanga Kang'Ata ni gachire mamincha na machiko ye kiama kia Jubilee ikiukerira ere kurusigwa ase ekirogekyo wono ekirogekyo ni go kienanirwe na koirwa no senator we county ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi na gotebanga Irungu Kang'Ata ni gabeire ukwanga wa attend gusogwikirana ebikaro ao bye kiama ekyo anene bibye bunge enene.
After that meeting we had another meeting at the Jubilee headquarters in which we invited him. He refused to come. And we discussed a few other confidential issues in which we put him online to be able to talk to us. But in a most unfortunate way, he decided to discuss what we discussed in closed meetings outside to the media. That was his biggest failure as far as leadership is concerned. You don't kiss and tell. You don't kiss and tell. When we meet as a leadership, you're supposed to keep the confidentiality of the meeting, keep the confidentiality of what it is we have discussed. But if after talking, immediately you go out and expose those who you talked with and what you said with them, then that is not acceptable, and that is his biggest failure as a leader. And therefore the rest of the leadership in the Senate are not able to trust him going forward. How then can they ever talk freely when he's there, when they don't know what he's going to say outside to the media and to his friends? So it is that breach of confidentiality which has made his position untenable. I think that's all I have to say about that. If you have questions,
you have numbers.
Wikiraga bo mwachumuri we TV ya AGR News no kuyabutura na magana maya asenjiri wikirano unateka SMS yituralia litukerigalia lero yolenge magaga yechi kamera ko ene kinga magana ya kuwikirare ase enchira ya bene nigo akurukunga Videl Mochoge malitane nigo nkurukwa Denis Zadok kubaganiria oburigelio bya
ayunaro amaya atekire ntogendere kumanyia amange korwa AGR ekeumbu kyomugusi.